Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading Tucker Puppy is a Mascot by Bruce Larkin. I'm Tucker Puppy. Many people just call me Tucker. Most people who meet me are not sure what kind of dog I am. I say I'm a good looking dog. I live with many other animals, including 6 dog friends. Does your school have a mascot? I am a mascot. And a mascot is sometimes they're in like a costume and they're a dog or a wildcat or a bobcat and they're at the game for the team. It can be football or basketball and they're dancing and doing all types of stuff. And the people are cheering them on and they're representing the team. They're representing your team. Read Dream. I am a mascot for a group that helps kids to become better readers. I get to meet lots of great kids as part of my job as a mascot. I like to help children become better readers. I hope that I get to meet you someday.